Foods not only wanted to take revenge on Red Bull, which denied them a championship in the Fiesta Conference, but also wanted to win big. And they started off really roaring and smoking here. Took a 3-1 lead in the series. Red Bull denied them a win in game number 5 just a couple of nights ago. But tonight, Herbie Raimundo et al. Made sure that there would be no game 7. And,
well, Coach Ryan always said if he could just keep his team healthy, he could win a championship.
yes.
And his team has been healthy for the most part. And he gets his second championship as a coach in the PBA.
All right,
Okay.
Congratulations. Ikaw ngayon napili nating MVP of the ball game. Ang ganda ng pinakita mo. Ano masasabi mo sa lahat ng Pure Foods fans na nandito?
First of all, maraming salamat po sa Panginoon. Saka sa lahat ng sumusuporta, nagpe-pray sa amin. Thank you. Thank you sa inyo lahat, sa management. Lahat sa inyo. To my wife, Mahal, I love you. Thank you. To Kevin, I love you. Gabe, I love you. My family in Bataan, tatay, nanay. Lahat sa inyo. Hindi ko na kayo mababati lahat. Salamat sa inyo lahat.
Kirby, dahil sa MVP ka,
To my in-laws, yung in-laws ko.
paki-cross out mo. Win number 4 para sa Pure Foods Chucky Giant champion sa 2006 Grand Matador PBA Philippine Cup. Congratulations!
Ayan po, nakuha ng...
And now may we
Here was the game number 4.
award the trophy. May we call in PBA Chairman Eli Capasio, the Commissioner, PBA Commissioner Attorney Jose Emanuel Ayala, and also our officials from Grand Matador Brandy, Mr. Paul Camelio, Brand Manager of Grand Matador Brandy, and Nelson Elises, the Marketing Manager of Ginebra San Miguel Incorporated.
Tingnan natin yan ang
Mga
runner-up
kaibigan,
trophy.
palakpakan po natin ang ating runner-up team, ang Red Bull!
Daming loto.
The balloons are starting to fall. And they all came down together.
One bunch.
Red Bull team, please.
Okay,
Come back to the
tinatawag
hardcore.
the assistant manager and assistant coach G. Abanilla coming over to receive the runner-up trophy from Chairman Eddie Capasio, Commissioner Noli Ayala of the PBA. Okay. Congratulations to Red Bull for a well-played series.
We'd like to thank PBA Chairman Mr. Eli Capasio and PBA Commissioner Attorney Jose Emanuel Ayala and our Grand Matador Brandy officials Paul Camelio and Nelson Elises. And now it turned over to Patricia Bermudez. He's on all the hardcore.
Good evening.